Well, hello everyone. Today we are going to do factorization from Maths Link book. It's from class 8. Factorization of the trinomial using perfect square type. Perfect square type, it means we know that the factorization is always written in product form. Sometimes the questions are given in expanded form, something like this. What that is given in exercise 10.3, what that is given in exercise 10.3. You see over here, the terms over here are given in expanded form, and we have to convert it into perfect square and write it in product form, in the factorization form, multiplication form. So what are the ways and what are the techniques that can be used to make these kind of expression, this kind of expression, yes, expanded form into a perfect square? Let us see how these all can be solved. Let us take an example from question number one. It's very easy. The question over here is given a square plus, in between there is gaps, we have to fill that with the terms that will make this whole expression into a perfect square, whether that is a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, or whether that will be the perfect square of the term a plus b, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the expanded form must be in this form, a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Out of these two, any one form should be there. So this question, first question, we have plus and plus over here for the second term and third term. So it means we can understand this is to be changed in form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I have a square, the first term, and I have the last term 9, which is not a square form. So I have to convert the first term and the last term into the square form. Now I have understood mine first term is a and the second term is b. So a square plus, from the formula we can take 2, then after, what is in the place of a itself is there, what is in place of b, then 3 is over there. So here we go with the formula a plus 3 whole square. When you compare it to a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can write it in form of a plus b whole square, where in place of a itself is over there, and in place of b, 3 is over there. Let us take another examples and understand this, how it works. Let us see this question number D. What do we have instead of A? Instead of A, we have over here 9y square. Instead of A square, we have 9y square. So if you convert 9y square into A square, we can write it like this, 3y square. That can be in place of a, because we have to convert it into form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. We have to convert it in this form. So the first one was 9y square, the first term. I converted into 3y, and then I gave whole to the power 2, so which is indicating the a is 3y. Now the last term, let us see the last term. What do we have? 36. 36 is the square of 6. 36 is the square of 6. And the first one is A and the last one is B. So from here we came to know what is our A. 3y is our A and 6 is our B. So in between we can easily fill the gaps. We know a square plus 2a is 3y and b is 6. So the middle term we have got, that is 2 multiplied by 3y multiplied by 6. 2 3 is a 6, 6 6 is a 36y. So we can fill the middle term over here. Similarly, when we see down, we have x square minus, it means a minus b whole square. Formula will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So same thing, we need to make a square form of the first term and the last term. So in question number G, what do you see? The first one is already done for you, like it is already in its square form. And the last one, 16, you will change it in square form. 16 is the square of 4. So here we got a is x and b is 4. So a square minus 2, a is x and b is 4. So we got the middle term, 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 4, that is equal to 8. Now moving to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2, we have the same thing to do what we have done in question number 1. There we fill the blank space. Here we will not fill the blank space. Rather what we do is we just convert it into a square minus 2 plus 2ab plus b square, and to the other terms which has got minus, we will convert that it into a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us see how it is done. Now let us take for first example, like question number A. Question number A from 2, question number 2a, m square. A square is already clear. A is m. Now middle term, I will not do anything. I'll go for the last one. What is in the last place? There is 36. I'll make it 6 square. Then the middle term I can get itself. I can get itself. It's very easy to get. So in between, I know it will be 2. A means m, and b means 6. And once we have to check it out, whether the multiple of the middle term is coming the term which is given in the question or not. If it is given, we are correct. If it is not given, think that there is something mistake, yes, or we are going in the wrong way. That cannot be factorized by this perfect square method. So these perfect square methods, always when we do a square plus 2ab plus b square, it should match to its previous step, right? Now let us see what do we get over here. M plus 6 whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, when we see down over here in question number G, what do we get? Question number G, 2z. 2z, the question is 3y square minus 54y plus 243. If this is the question, 243, if this is the question, see, what we have is we have common in all three terms. Then the rule for the factorization, we all know, first we need to see the common between all the terms. Then after we need to go for formula a square minus b square by arranging the terms. Then after we see for this perfect square method, and then after we will see the middle term split method. So that are the rules I just talked about. Now talking about this question, first what do we see? We see 3 is common between all three terms. After taking 3 as a common, the leftover I am writing y square minus 54, when it is divided by 3 becomes 1 8 18y, and over here when 243 is divided by 3, it's 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. So 3 was common in all three terms. Here was also 3. 54 is 18 into 3, so 3 is common outside 1, and 243 is 81 into 3, so 3 is out. Now 81 is still inside. Now the remaining terms, we have to convert it into a perfect square form, in which we see this is already a square, The middle one we leave and we will go for the last one, which is 81. That is the square of 9. Square of 9. So what we have in between, we will have 2. Instead of a, what do we have? Y. So 2a. And instead of b, what do we have? 9. And you see in between there is 18y. It means we are going on the right track, and thus the factorization will be done now. It goes in the formula a plus b whole square, and I can write it y plus 9. It means a plus b whole square. In this way, the factorization for question number 2 z is done. Now remaining from question number 3, I'll explain it in my next video. Thank you. Have a great day.